teacher ma ara pilga first Dagbang movie
so first Dagbang movie be first Dagbang movie Dagbang first movie Dagbang mbala
okay
1989 the title Daniela Whose Fault Montale
kanye English be
dranya
title English
title man danya English alle te doartien so bien ka bono Abubakar Sadiq
yes
obi GBC
mora be dalmon maximum radio
so ngure da spearhead so alle dranya ba men GBC nda collaborate ka ban nan la ka bra aile on GTV. Okay. So first Dagbang movie nda ko dan checkara title ma da nya silmisir Whose Fault so la
bra yala Dagbang de pour be title nda ko ngi
bra yala Dagbang mbasanda na ban kunya first mbasanda na
bani
yes bana
okay.
ban ku ma first Dagbang movie
okay.
So mbasanda na bananda bela cinema puni
okay.
So bang mal 1989 ni mane ka dengman kaman kwarsa pakanna ka movie interest ma be kan nirba ku join rab jela ka sininem te piling ma bon ku mara kanna dem lala tul ma me benda ngmar dra ku nyala mali hayinga dan dara ku pilshan be mali ha fangne I fangne so mal TV ki zanchang thing me because lala sa TV nam da ba yel babale be dek nam da ba yel bale so te da cassette no me dara ku nyala ku iku lan tabnan I fangne ngonna kumale TV ki zanchon osane ki fangma nam ta yunda so carte kana advance 2 years 3 years later karpa kana carte pa karjia kamane bu pannan da karnya Bible cassettes karnya la bamma mang no to zanchon cinema center kamantan pasima bara chance intenang la cinema center ma kana che ban baraku be tamal ngo iron victory rivoli nima danama ka chante miarle kana chi ka de ku chantu ka TV nim te payir na biela so ka ba pannan da nto ko har la bielfu kana che bon ko hayar tarba miar cinema center so ka de ku biel la kanna la Bible cassettes ma ka na ondwel mo nyavle be ba prezumbu anoche nta ngune zang CD nim na te movie industry yes asadachi
wa asarachi time ka CD
yes asarachi kunya first Dagbang movie den CD puni
aso Zumbo movie ndaba
Zumbo production
okay
so then from Bible cassette ma ko yule kaman no de mala nyong na mane samban ma ba advance me CD nam ka pa yusra be zaari lan kanimane ko bara bon yen according to him go rat pro la zo nchang nyong toku lala yema just because o produce CD nam yes so ko mzang le producer sadachi ni mane ka tuma be manye kaman yes CD na madan mala ni ne samna biani ka so kamlan zorla that was around 2005 2006 mbala ka CD na ma kar pile yirna hale ntapa nan bayana ka CD na ma ko har kanat pasti shele ne bor shel ka yarl ma bon kar kanat pasti shele mila zahami kaman niveau shabkat lehra kan nan da lala sinina ma be niveau shabka ne solma ka te dwelba banyanga bi te malga sol kam da tumna te dwelba da ban pum mi solma ajir ma gor kan ji sole ka ata dwel so she mar tum nan ba dwela ba mai cha an dwel shelma ka malga sole be ke ne tere tuhuma kana bozo ka malge so manna ko en tuhuma an malga shelma an ku dwel yu akan yan tipi ka sol kam dan tuhun kun fangne you understand so dan karata paste shel ka nevo chapten yele kan nan da sinina ma yalla de te ko ko na nyong na ma Nigerian silmisi ka ba te pa yir sidi na mane karpa paste shel ka ba yir sidi na mane mpa piare digital platforms
okay
then YouTube the yulma Netflix min streaming platforms ma da pagalsia pam sahango karnyala azan asini nan nimane at the end of the day the entire la shelka ka wahala di ba ya'la lagba da ya ne agal ko hala alin ko zama ba ka shi ka la arfiyarna but ale unwanate acting industry ma excuse me to say illiterate galsila danne
ka turum nyale
no ka turum hal ne le bane ya illiteracy ka shukuru illiteracy
okay movement literacy
la digital platforms ma actors wala mi YouTube ya toa ka artist wala mi Netflix na operators cha artist wala ko mi kaman okay mo subscribers ntuna pagba ka YouTube na pila yobo ba akuto kalba ba malakal de ba ya'lala so the illiteracy kan yelma so babum artist ma pregle ba mi la streaming platforms ma de dan fana nan yeshele so per la streamisma malga changni de zo kan de zang solla te exemple ka streamisma malga la solma be ka tan lehre shab kan wa ka malga la solma ka tan yana ayi tana ko mbela te sidinum ko habane ale 4 years zan kana acting industry ma ban wahala pam biyan yala yamangle ban wahala pam sidinum mazo sidinum da pa ko short term hata ji sakal
dira jonto dina dara karze da na ba ko jimle na because this time how do you gbaka nya kama kasoko nyara CD is on pa deck na nyara the you kan nyala because of the man happen in the digital platform so be pen drive na ka de no ko mel pamba so the dara
so that man we ya le yara kaman 3-4 years 5 years back ma drana son dar biela because te tankpasma pregle the mala di satellite ngoma dare na ba yuale la tankpasma but ka actors ma producers ma ka ble fan na difficult na nya sidi na ngo be woni bo so band man ma ban pa yala rezo ka pa concentrate on digital platform so be bla man sidi na ma abu ha ban yala so no to kun no sini ka chele son karna nyo chen mo bor sidi nam shi yes 4 years back zankana kare o chen mo bor sidi nam shi kar wurta kama ya duniya chen mo na yaye shedin takara shagba yarle ni ba yarle ayam dela nyanga so yaye shedin kana ma nya streaming platforms tami ba mile ka tanna ku je na sidi nam son to no sini zan son kar nyo ne ngin na bor sidi nam anninne ya sablugo kabra kalma nan karate nan daside nan malbana karnyala ne kara pama o kubbe pike shengo mbabwar nan de bosle ka karnyala a chawa an stela la kapya foli dit kana dan ontna managing ya shel kar kana ma ka dinyala oti o interme dole bankar first in first out bandangna an karate tisham nyungum be first ma ko yaha da ngum fe ko ditin na lo sele yin bank pal makina lan go ko lam mora shot lam bonye sidin ma yaha so karkara ta pala la stage ngoma la sa ka tan pum bang na yalla nyet industry ma ni ma ne ka dek nam gbadi kenan di non bayana sidin nam lar pun lan kane de yulma ka satellite nam mi bakana ante di lo kam nirba la lam sahanu da deck
CD deck
no da CD deck be DVD deck karnyelo yan dala CD zanna da puna lehra so kam pa biela satellite ma zo
but the problem is that inye karmala ka producers actors mo mahanka na tumashan the mala ten mamma ariya about illiteracy most of band tune be enjoy movie the band movie majority of them but they are not even on digital platforms ma kama a can tin kwanso pambian ni kura band ya mai CD deck na DVD ka dal cassette no tapan baka phone ma so bi ya mo mekane bi po ma mala o mi kama no mai tadi pa TikTok o yeza ma Facebook o yeza ma watch it throughout until YouTube the mala ngona the internet penetration is very poor as compared to Ankarabe Nyon Polo South Polo so ka difference ma be
yes I to an bien but mbe sa'ar tarlaza kan dalir ma bon akana tille lala sini shangatan no da ngoma jagu kamza pune sensitization the tariyala yon pam kama ka so mi bene ka ban ayan nan sham convince nyan so hame ka use radio tablet example
okay
social Facebook live na rana kanna sa hakam tra yor la rovre ande tawli ara jin po hanzo pa ya sur le teme na Facebook a tena ni follow in page ma like me avoir sensitization ba avoir ba kanna ma ba you just sit down carrière akuduna po hanzo abe Facebook lab ababe balansu bi abe yesu no kemna to yula Facebook nyenden ko nyala ay jino present mu yan tena ko tena baba no lala bal maka ay zang
yeah that's how we started
you understand aba pompo tenji sa hala pan to ko jine ka ba yel Facebook ba nyero ma pom mi na abe Facebook
even this time ba ka observe ben shao the moment ka jine so bene hype be they don't even monitor through radio Facebook ma so come time I ko page hadi kan ko ran buharna before ka tuna la ya san call
no from ko call ma
exactly so abdende ke da ne teacher la off because to Saudi Arabia ko ban mo terma guys ya so how you ko kane dey nyala problem so it has become very essential part of radio
so sensitization she inda punnon tulma danan pa payer potential sa shelma so tenir ma da tumne ba understand ka sensitization ma danan da tunne ba zamba hankal lapsi nta tan pa sa manya tan pa shelayan chan ka smartphones ku to garten
when you ten ba
you understand
touch so come
parsra de pa bien lo kam so le sa bi ra pile la sensitize ha so na to prendre zo on chat da smartphone mo su be da gba movies ne ko mi kama ya pompo de blanche na zande 10 series 20 series chat da cd en ko non bundle le to nya da gba le series shel na bora le on YouTube
yes
on to prendre zo on chat da smartphone car kunyala o le la da gba na films car pour le yirlo la dara at the end of the month ka jega la arna nyeshele so ni ma ka trafele ale car ko kanante passer shele unko bor na mvule kana problem man pa nyelo shele so selmi sma be ton le reshab kanan ma bongo ga chang digital platforms mane few people be few producers be few actors wana mi digital platforms ma to a few people in benefitera come the likes of kulchire mini otama ban mi la YouTube ma to you understand
how ayo sensitization anya ka ba to nang dere on to ma short video ba na Facebook na ba no na be YouTube sensitization
ko no WhatsApp broadcast and send links to nearby you understand forceria ni subscribe forceria ni yule dan kat yarma ale tin sa shelo o a chantinye kulchire subscribers on YouTube da biam ne baga you won't believe it KFTV chamte check ka 100,000 yet yes kulchire basit
I see
the Maya miss la figures
and here
Garcia the gar 20,000 the gar 50,000 yes
this is huge.
Yes KFTV you understand so ka the actors ma da jin baya na yara ma na pachen shamma wula ka pen be knock because series blender wula ka be kabra gba na don na be yimnati mbo so be no to nya pen drive num cheap ka dunya ba pen no pen drive na sa so e message na yara shelamba nya ma ka tan na ko bor na tabi no so to da pen drive nzano o satellite benne en yunda
so does it mean that is it the abunyala progress be which one kunya concern no
on concern man nye shel kan papar na ma
okay
so bun da gbala la kala gba malla da bachana ka pa disare kama ya why not ka to boswele mpanong the movie premieres ka zang seloma hankal lapsna denne because first ma trapun pier la sininim kalera ka ba jina strategize le karjia ya so ilang mago movie o en kamna Tollywood bun malla da committee ka booking a date ka ba na pikona ka zayan premiere ka buka date ka ta date shalayan premiere ya movie ma you understand so things is so kala premieres ma ka start and frankly speaking tamal nam ta'dil pam be ngona nam ta'dil premiere ma
ko non kanon suna ka so kam chante
yes
okay
no pikona
man ka yama kama lam premiere ka ni kana ma
ka ni
de
patiara pam ka biela especially Selma mira borma premiere landa nage de kala nirbo kwarsi to movies man
inda chante ke abama movie share ngomba ma de ma kam mama urana share ma de mo dabyam
okay
inda chante pele he in alaja sambetu am
be kadana
tamana de title
okay
dum ka dagu ma ko man tum yune
okay
verse nirbo gandama
okay
even alhaji achema ami ha me tickets nda ba ma because that tickets pam yes ndanti nirba
mbo
yes
so kan wana na saadi la premier ma bonde tuna tan tiya nan sham mba disappoint ba be ka to safeguard ne vo shaba ba saadi la movie premiere because they don't find the only source of income chekaya the only meaningful source of income lo sel pour benneto because so to non premiere ne to 30,000 40,000 50,000 debo pora
pam
hal kon auto yihin la ba kan to pionnier shelma la next movie kana ba yihdem dem bala mana
okay
kan ya premiere ma dahal barkan bala so ngoma kar pakarat palo station karanga be take it for granted
Then
recently movie shanga dan premiere Picona Gardens man now zo kan yara ma hal be yara ne de pergele be yara na zan 50 pesos in Dar es Salaam ko saadale yes
the quality
though few non quality the likes of Zombie it was a quality movie and some few other movies after Salman Mina Borman premieres ma but most of the movies shanga pa premiere terma bump nama
so I end up after Salman Mina Borman because until news obara no dene Abosh
okay no Saturday then le yisman so ngoma
great so dunka me mbuhama azan pa bump na mane
bump na mazane de za swala bush premier ma
dumna like to boy zuki fa bump mba ma
you know why
de chang
anya la movie ma Hollywood biba yis zan la strategize la movie ma konko nyala ba sha don ko ngurum la premier
about film
yes
de tati kar ko rabo mama bo zan yo vrapam kar nda to samara ma
za sof amela je share bien
what happened
man ya movie man na ba editing naga ka bazan la na ba ta premier
kanya wula mbagba hanka bo borde
man ba hanka ko to mama nda official MC and none of us knew
okay ara umillela
wakati an
ka accept nege MC
yes. So what happened is that usually tiens bien mera movie man karate paga lociel polo laisser lociel pour suspense ne bi kana borna nya after kengo bon kana next so usually la kana karapos ni mane ka nyunye MC ngo ka die song some nzantba envelopes ne ngon kamya yina te tap song movie ma ka tap song ka dehaba la'arna karna to movie ma mi so ting me la movement an te pagi ka be posel ke na te duna te di sonsem ka te na sonsem ma zasa kala la duna te la introduce movie yel kama movement ka ti an tuma she ban ko mila ba so na movement be te zan lo shel tar kar mien zan ma yes that was what happened.
So it's about deal lare
ban point lare ba envelope nama ba ya yira te table lare ba ya sonsi kan na karabe de puni am believe yam yan
demana
yan dullana ora be la premier ma puni ka ala jitama kulu
yes
ora be la premier ma puni
so bambolo zasa ka bora tuntu
ngwana jema nanam zasa ka ba lam yihe jema nan ma yi ka ba karata zan ba
zan
ya ba alga jema na ne ya
wow
gutu jema na banda zan jema nanam zaza an
karata bambolo za bradi bala
yes ka ba non ta zan ngoma en nirma na yirna ka jir fila shama don so ka
ya na on bo
na and you know what happened ngwana to take left for granted kama te ba ko kaba now so don ye lo she pull by now there tunu welgo te abush ko explain ra
kanya RSB to abi
there tunu be siyo ami last blame jama premier man na hala
na ka ne bora
interrend any apology how be come on Facebook to check akunya thank you ba
so you go last
yes
I'm an idea of in Anya Lashel Daddy ma.
Oh, the Ragalsia because Baji Cabra Kuzana. That marmara. You see, Premier Man, let's be sincere. Yon Sadil Pam Katarson, but Bish I don't know ma.
I hear to Ashelambara, but she'll particular John for
granted.
Oh, come here, have you could not be caught a tree?
Yes.
Minion Lare Kanzampiga. Zambala. So ba bien de no quality
de biawula and ale things is so campa ko chela location because bu panya kama premier ma afana bien adanne so go friend ne biano en changla premier tan ma sini boko mar ma sini boko mar o ba kan mi no kana katar envelopes yon mi an to ha na envelopes man zana tato
la ilaha illa
this is what is happening.
So is it so premier mo nye bump mo ama movement dem viera
movement according to Sohama Mende editors master de la fila and you know what is happening ka producers ma venuma bra malagir te shabsani ne ngoya editor ma ambe editor na kan bon zan to ka clear yi pierlan yule basit kulchire
okay
te zahamika o mal fa washanga ba so ngoma ka bradi bo na bazan lang major po ne basit ka basit ngala la mufa kan wona editor le en so hama min ne vosa ba edit basit ngon to zobi o boys nuna kala la cinema be
ama
ba sa ka basit ne ka ba fault nyale
ne ka mun fault.
Yes, so this was what happened. Be bensa explanation exactement bon. Movie ma bon unbelievable last week la zabrana ma la sin shanga. Yes.
It was a lot of has what happened here mame. Don't let sense be arande. No man na pirege. Come it was a competition be benedaba between Abu Muhammad and Salman. So look at boss born was take advantage in banye la
the pune.
So I am not boss you know no hankal pune. Look at the money ko born make it. He was not ready to do come a proper quality video for Dagbamba. Be Dagban. Rabo no nome and take come a shine shed in that trend ma. Go go glory ma move ma la ma ko that's all. Now I'm here to actually mount that but she were that land man that year shama denba.
Yes, denba. So but editing movie ma yelia. Ne ma afsini ne de shama ai male be yung ma na ge director ma tum no karate editing bench ma. No editor la ma san daga to editing bench. O karate in editing bench.
So I'm directing movie when come not to no.
Impie store ma song no editor ma. So na hal once be ka to pie store ma song ba.
So it means I edited by editing.
Bon editors and shelba and according to by editing
share director jam kaya tongo after sim moche
ngon kanna after ngon kanna
so even no man edited by
the one you understand ka ko non la ma zang la tinyan wote and by editing wa say yelma ne mu man da stop lo shelma the next scene ma nye store ma man pilebo ma be sini de shama ne pille de kunyala kamande ara yen chal kanir ma nye ana to kanir ma nya store ma ni store ma man naka store ma man ngunda na bakana kabana sini ma stop ma and that was it to date so yina te yele te tum tale wala nang ma aya de kane
te paya de kane
ka next week Saturday ka premier bien ka expectera nan lan zang larna te yo kapi be ka tama envelope ka expecter nan mbobe sha'nan da nan zang la ta maka jargon nyama
I mean moving that cinema dem pamba this time.
Yes, so
banama especially and we are Tollywood la
yes. So Tollywood president nyala afasani minister ngone nye the president
so bandum dazin ka ba dabsa ta boss.
Yes, so be mala committee be yila committee zante premier ma nami soko be la committee mare guys so bien katbono bajine so bajine de ma ngone to ter date na magba
so bambo yang bai bajin wondin ya ko communicate dabselti
no I believe
su time ma people
afasani namba nu karne kama ndo kunyela kama let's say yilmo robe ko nya manager ko piga kama Mr. Soft
ya supervisor
ya lo nyene so be okay nya programs manager so be shaka nya programs nyene nya handle
so manager wa say haye try na hipade ti ni be taina ko to zampawo
so roso kama mer concentra afasani mino nyanga ma ya bibe yisizane put things in place because only option option shall don't go
now because the be party
no ma be ku ti de na la te movie industry ma so ma
premier ma even nane
de na ma do sit na channel te tla la de streaming platforms no sensitization vanirma hankal labsna nirma hankal ti labna 5 years later kala 5 years ma boka
shabri yuni nagi.
You understand?
Yeah, it means that
the 5 years ma boka actors ma endira.
Oh God,
that is the question.
This is what boss. So will you suggest that they recommended that a boss left in the Altaba because some of them better.
You see, I lost a polo actor no value your brand. Now so the tuna bush refine nearby lare
because we know the character to
yes. Be ko bang oya number shayina nti nzang le sandana zang tenirba ma chanta ko tomsi ma movie da nan ya Salma mira bor maham ka bor maham no premier nti ha ka dundong ma twem pam dara twe pam tan shi sa shelmo abor maham yirwa no ya tla nirma free movie on la sini kare on zang men nang thank you banda ko ka ta support o shama example kan zang la tra ko on yira
sa permis ma yele ka ben piale
yele
kulkul okay donc ma ko
open place yes karnya free ko en mel zanti ne de nyala social yan dwel nan niveau sabanda karati ke o fili maka tap so ma thank you so imagine ka so sini cheka to deliver kala yina no to no thank you
kan no bump
so the tuna goes team vision strategize they should find a way bayan zan yina antanan wulante apologize to neroma kapala now so dia because never panda yirmna guys ma panda yira kayira now so on trawon ka so ngum yelma inyet ma Allah ka wuhante nzang ka to yola arpena ni yan nang la movie ki ka
no yela ba mo na me pen no show ka tum sandana bu parkne agbosh ma the same agbosh bu
ora tum sandana bu
something like that the mother me ka organization ma din da mili sham ka bu chang la
yeah
so quality I remember what atum the sandana
ka no ka de awards la arkura na jihazan su ka
de ka boss mu yambiele ndasu la duma wula ndasu
ora da combien camera
bumbo awards
aba kula another movie awards ma madam kur so acting industry the now the people na nye damsel katikati jin yel acting industry ma
ilaha illallah
la be yahma ballan kulala awards ma ben tela nyong so to chanto kunna nji close to 1 billion kare de zashi do be nzan vote on chan karancan kuma si ejura ya polo but
ogene so yama kan dibi ogene ka mebara
akayo
mebara ka bo so fans ma
ko zansu ka vote
adun ka ko zan miel ka da ko
kada
ora dile
on vote mbalo te di so le to di channel la channel and they are close to 1 billion at the end of the day ko you vote la sur la platform man ka ba 200 cities
so di kan ma je no bo di mi
yes
ache o zan tu
no ba how be shop da ku zote so ka yina te yelta plane
la ilaha illallah
ne moto ka orozan no di ma so pi me da moto
you don't mean it
yes ka ku feel comfortable
ndo basira
yes moto
ko fast ma ko tuma
bo vote ma no me di o me da
no fast ma ko tuma because it let's say 5,000 can vote at 2,000 banima ka wo zan na tizan vote
for the past 3 years la no the industry ma puni so acting industry ma won duarte now so the girls
no
now so the girls
do adi enyela nguna the tuni is zane I am telling you because it to abiambala
yeah
I am telling you and bring mala agbosh o melela records pam opon wo ma because I remember the show that I'm packing ma. We saw that to a chunk. Come to TV, I'm to the Sandani, Yao, Telepom, something like that. But I'm or a young back, I'm been loved to not be shout.
Yes, I am. Or I had to no comedy show in Yale. I love the comedy
to Carna boss.
Koyano and Yala de o comedy skits.
Great.
The album, Mama, comedy album lands. Kahai one skit to me.
Before I know to send that,
no comedy.
Katina that I was carrying the motor camera.
Yeah.
Don't zo more movie premiere. Kata movie church last year and edited.
Never edit it. Kababo zote suhe. Kaji hata laare.
Kai. Oh no. Tatu alaji mwene kana. Nko nzimatu. Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum
salam. No, ye kadige.
Wallahi mamdara na zo da zabu mahale hal onga mamma ne dilo dare onga so ko mai shilan kanna
okay tsamba
anya movie ma ban kwala non la shamaya jam fo be da nan be ye jam fo nu
okay
ama sana adam mo min so be denne misara zak amara adam be denne zumbo be denne o yule to lo e balle be denne
tafile
to ko se ben tafsirma wa kilolan kana movement tom bo yo sanu bo lo ba pour shelma
okay
yule la be yar sangatan non ma zaha barin dia si an jure be ma ka non bo movement ma kar chande di wonti be non mo fe kar be chande de ki yele do re yele na ka ba ne le kam Ismail ya ka no baba yar ma ka ta ban ma shi ka ganda ba ne to la zo sa ka chartma to su a go shi second time ko kanama ne yan bola ko shi nan tun malo zo da shi next time ka so ile ye mo fina garban nan amma da shi mu travel sai ta kana kaman dinda kana kaman ya karo do ma ka yi nan da ta ba ni amma ka or gina wan ma bin kam sa ku ba na bo so minister nya bode be kama wurin crossla problem or crossla dan ku yina la minister shani ka nya ka na da ba ma san da ba kula minister mamma nya be kama to tani mu vun ma sa birna ba na go ko lan fa na ni
na uzo ka yela ma to abia ka gbo shi nan ma na uzo why ba mu san da na uzo ka so mu ko lan chance to move premier shell pi kwara mane because the man la because I don't know ara no no movie shaw yira tano mun nangon pe ka
na kaman pa solo anya agbos e mayama kaman da bomba artist da bomba movie artist man bibi poa gorma me selman na o yam poa ba che kaman yalla ka ben nyasele bibi poa ya gorma me selman na o yam poa ba baran lan yere bari gol na ma ba jena ba nyalla
abba
ban jena ba nyalla ma ka wala kare nan agbos mun tan do la ro agbos mun bor ko le ta
ba mu ba ko le ma ko simin bi sai to ko trend ko ri capture ndé ma go la capti gala ko nanda abba oh no
ala mbara
oh it's unfortunate
ko ta yaro ko ta ambala na ti ja onga sare
okay lamuna onga sare
ti ja onga sare ti ja ambala ti ja onga sare ti ja onga ya so am so na woni foreign number ilan sha stadium man ka foreign number kana so na nyon tolle
awmya
last year marathon tabarna pam last year marathon tabarna pam so sura so nawuri wallan karata shina abun man no project wo corruption e mo vision ma so now nyin yele dimane no contact banyan karama bi karakar para la nyele o lapso la ma ka tinde ka yes
okay
ina ko la ti ja onga 14 times ka ti ja onga ba pole
next time on next time on pole
to ti ja onga so now ya dere nyare ti ja bila me
thank you wa alaikum salam ba ayule 4 of the night hello yes and so amala she jo na ba course bo an ko
amala she
to nyimu ba
sama kusimbo
sama to jama alafi
alafi
ka wala ke be pam map ni don't atari na bana teacher wa sabaru the actors ma well this time it bring your quality the my chame ni take it for granted because be no premier so ka kura nzo bump no zan ka pi kora nti vaja
to il est pas mal non malage pam de karmala kamane basim swala ka ajira zangena te industry man
okay teacher
de o kar basim jengera kadi dozo o gaba wumda ba
o yala specific bene no ndanye MC shele so ayene kan na sama kusi ayene basim so amba de mala like ye to asere to kan zan atako o pe
kan won ba amano za na kan na ba donu ngumya ye an pass commercial ya merbe tule solan chan premier ne ayebo
so ni ko ma di bu correct
de no ma yi bu correct amma mra za di tabe tin ya sa sho bendan ba la siya ma zana hali yawo movie premier nam nan gar 20 so zayin ga tamale challenges ami zayin ga man tune te hamo ombe te generalizer me ntaga bambo de tul bambo non do tul pambe ma minister na ka non do ko on ci tonga mamma te munon be premier na man and o attend the premier no gar more than 20 so di gar 20 ka zayin te me problem had a problem ma ban blame la agbugul shi team ma because kare yamma mangle nyon bo shema ba o team ma ben relax ka be explain to be ban shadan din shir da shir non mamma so ma kan blame ba so ka bugu shi team so be explain ta ba bon generalizer la hawo mamman program no ora generalizer la yato ama shan metre industry maza so kuma na solo bank kama ya ka bugu shi ko non premier ni pam non premier kare chan solo na inspector le na ban yesham so abugo is non ka challenges bien ben on
na someone ko sa actually challenges but it's deliberate because I do look at the ta or history or I no more bin ka so to a message man no I am name about how many 100 and no 17 skis no ko I no zan pa ma kanye comedy show tina bunya ka comedian no show Ali Mama Sports Stadium ko no because all that no successful is as that line song yam now all that no dinya sandran tinyele ko no awards katinya no pinda motor pile camera do time de zuwa premier o take advantage of the system and ndra we hama ke ku focus ya so the yara the mala kama the science abukata I'm sure that onga bona understand ma bi abasato
number sato ko dezo kan ni man ma bugo shi management kam blamera because you to ashama za den yina ma ran yara da zanyala yelpa with the exception of Pacman shura no o show comedy num ka show yila baran kampan yara ya nirba ne yeshel pa so bi tuma den yella kama ya bi yila tijen ba da yamman mangle ne yeshel agbaabo so tun na shi sa shewo ti don gana allegation ko na ona label ma
so na to who the actual story about okay on ga to bo onga
sa ko se
nam
ale de ne yeshel ma za yel panyel so mbor na yel te de yel ma ne yeshel
yela me ya ka ntuma nyele agbaabo shi ti ma tu no respond so le ko teriam kama ya de tule agbaabo shi ne my chance ka ba to kana te clear whether ka ba ko fe whether an yerse ma yamang le nyel be ayel ma pala kan yerma
ba ma wudanye MC ma wudanye MC
oranye MC bu wurno wudanye producer of the show there was a producer so wudanye me go and do this ko no so bu mi show man da plan sham haltan no
sawa ku se
ni pambu ko me yerma
sawa ku se
ka to ma gbogbo shi nan gba nu
sawa ku se
gbogbo shi nim diram
Mami na agba paham camera yarma abu because listen to me them so woman Jondo Maria then that boy production team first brother yet me ben ma freeze me awunda ne ban yarma ma sankar ye ne ben ma freeze ka ban yarma ka to boha ka ne jirka bu ma ne move na editors shelter gambala so den san ka ne jirka
so it means on na won yarwo feel onyama ka yarma so ami ya ne wumi ya
so
don't get it
so point ma ku nyame ya until katan win from agbogbo shimo ti ka bo ko fe
yi na wumma wumma
on ga ne yarta shamo on ga yatam ne yero mi la ma sharabu wuna kaman o fi do ba do wuna ba da yero la so ya ta katan wumma agbogbo shinim no la ka agbogbo shinim ya ta kama ya on ga ne ya shama ya ma ne to tumanda shirbala be ayi o yelma patma tuna ko to ji wonga won to attack
but where someone could say I hear to a chef can sata but you're saying that yeah pam moving pam yi okay to chama
ya den che kan ya gbogbo shi team ma gbogbo yele she ma do me gba viwo bo team ma punu yiro yema ne den che ko onga yer parba ba nyam no ngara na jungle ka bu yuso jungle ma ka yuso staff dele so ne dingu ko sabra kan nan da ba ma so ma je to awma de diro onga tabira no tuna gbogbo shinim sakana program ma na biane
no problem this to about tank
anti ka to wa gbogbo shinim nwele
na jingle
first of all manda contact na jungle ma banda contact na jungle ma so at the end of the day be you say no be you smart ben yaman
so gbogbo shin ma
ya na ku chante no MC ma great because how you say ka chante no MC ma
so sabat luminity
ni ko ilushem ya nye so ha me pansoro na mbe
I'll do that how man no la gbogbo so number tin ku no engage but time man chama
so ko ilushem nye me man ni agbogbo shi wupam agbogbo shi nation take o fans for granted onyela ni fo so won tbugo fans pam hasan ban or letter wuto fans shem onyela won tba jilma pam ka be mamam nile ni mi tundo tuma sarga bunu to Canada ne
so abanya deliberate
no man ya emina agbogbo shi ne to fans jilma shem mo mel la das shet ba mi ko sabo so ba la bana do zo antel ka to ma agbogbo shi nwele tena ko gboble ne yelpan na nyele empire.
So for how long should we wait?
That's fine. Okay.
Not taking people for granted, man.
No one someone could understand Shamyala. Oh yeah, Shelmo. He was at the MC for the night. Kandale, Kayel Onyesham, Kayan Nikura, Asanzan Banda Bejiman, Nibsamno Ayirsham, after you like a Chana Kayasham. Kolan dwell over Chelsea and Maka dwell Helen editor, Munda to editing movement. Kawumi to Ashanga. So my hanka net to my shamyala that Mbapu me about history Didn't you pack in it? Or I know kana or no comedy show for the first time. To make a ye in the bar. Bring me about Banakuzan Park ma could bukata. Deeper politicians land on the elections in the money. For the first time at Kunya no comedy show. Dagbambla. When on Dagbano comedy show. Can you packaging man fine starting in busy man. Kaltina can ye Sandan and Yere. Zaganga Travinia, fine over wool are. Hadn't that picture shell. After being a comedian of Nangle. Park on the Kanyala Lare. The Viera. I was here to I had cut one da. Nazo on the land you come and Tablema. Taco name about that channel co fans to have to go zampi da combien. Kalan Mira. Listen, I want to vote. Fine, Catalan chairs on Swan man. This particular movie, Alan Yunda, Abbas was not part of the Banda computer Tama. Dracunya between Selman Muni, Oyulma, Abomaham. All of a sudden, Katuna Abbas here no Benala movie. Fine, Dracuchan Katuna Samara Maletava. Katija never gave me in Shepard Laptava. Radio and the Montivani,
Mazana, yet to Adam Biarma, the boy. I don't point at him. So can't good well. Can't tell you, Boss Nepa and Bandas are born so strong. How one come with Lanza? Everyone, Bobama Selman, Abraham Cabnon to the Enchilab man. Final, move my Gina, Premier. Now Zukayama. I don't know what happened. I know Laja Sanson call no. Mponaga, Obian Baba, Laji support Lam Pamshan, the Bara. I have a man called my zoom mini. Oh, help Seko Barma. Bogo no Barma, me, Moyam Yamalazi, could support one yelling bush. I'm looking to understand. But here no Katusokuchanga took that. You could because you want money. And because to come in Nandama, Ariel, Changazan Zampa, can you be a catty, can dig in the Armagan. You are taking the people for granted. And you have history of that. In your Picon and ye, I was right to anye this one. Good Tambera. To Yama and Kasha Daniel. What kind of challenges? This is deliberate. Someone could say, Abba. You see, West Ambella, Mr. No. I may cookie. Ka Abuana sat no chia, Kayel young man, never could chill or Kayan Porono do no na yisi. To quaint charm, what a pill poor when your mamma like Unity and never put more to swine. Mania as I shelter Samakusembala. So what can I tell you so Jikan or Carniera, so jealous base so Besha, Abuha Bush, Mamino vibe, we are just cool. Banco Tonya Yamala.
But is it true that I don't know a jingle to a cabinet? Can you see?
So this was what happened. But Pumama jungle number. Ka Nangli Basit Sunny. So Kay Basit, you say it to ma, Kabasit, Yama name Kulma no say it to ma. So no Kule jungle Mabakana. You understand?
Yeah.
So let us hamika Guarma quiz because me ala say that channel up and down. So ka unquali one producer movie manager Kasha can call buye nen yellow yo chamba sit sunny. Unte deal because no la busy basit me no sent over sent ma. So no call buye over boy. So come on migba pressure ambulance ba. So the teacher come on 5 days. Ka to voice recording yellow nda call am ya ka ba miss nang la jingle ma karbo na chang te din yan nang busy siam ami ba sit ye to a di pala chang te ji ozo akunyere ko no o ta no o bnya miss call so no cheka director ma chang te dili so am believe ya we dey la period ma me baza ka blan cheka first half ban no so be chang te din den ma ka jega first half me baden ka you have man ka problem after all come and that check and non
I don't have a radio.
I don't
okay but I'm around business.
Yeah, my I don't go around telling people chat jingle. So jingle. So at the end of the day, but you sell mama min bazil naya.
Yeah.
Them year so come sama kusero kola yes and I ko chanta non MC ma.
Yeah.
You understand? Then you have you sing jingle so na ko chanta non MC ma. You understand?
Yes.
So kafila on call yere to asham o yim the yere.
Okay. That's fine. So 91.7 megahertz I dirty. The mala time ne champa shama chat zo samba na because nyi kan ro pambor ne begba twejima pune. So anto join na 02 0060766. One line makata ko usera. Talk to user pam line and pam. Ayule ne ka bonna.
Beto.
Yes.
Adugele sambala.
Okay, teacher ma 1 minute.
I don't yell at Pasama. I don't yell at Pasama. Put now, Yamalaka Choga Yellow. Manda bear of food. Never die, you don't care by now on the boy at this. inye tla be in vuelta kanyenya tan kana be to kukana ay di yere sa sha jawaya manam bala sama kusubu ku na du gal sanda wa mi ra mi trapun kam no ko puta because hay feel bara ber na ba ay abush like kazon ko filarna na o ngala anku because you would attach the karna mu premier ane dan no shamo
okay John niti
na no ka pa mara klon kompira nyama wa ta kwara ta shan kwara la bana ikrani borla so xam ka ta twara wa ti secretary kiti da yani alien ku sa dan vote ne ka dan da moto bara it doesn't make sense so one
okay thank you very much Lukman agbabwel na sahama nyala den chang 0200607766 dipela la amazon ku to pa shepo ayule ni aka bol na
Rahman kambo najwa
teacher ma Rahman
dinto manu ko en special nyala o yuma yande ye to ma
okay no problem teacher
na so ko yele ni mo ayen so barkim mangalam ba
okay
now so suhirlom da before hankal barkin ba rozo ni fu shabban bod na bargata da banguma ti yisi yazana inte ka bon ka da ma ti kun yela ti yela sa yin ta ba aba o man no bolan
yes
rozo ya ta yi kana su ne yi ban pate da su ni ta da
la nyele
yi ta da fu ne tan ne to ce tidin ma ba ka ce yes.
So
I let them Genma. Now also the Gamba to make Jesu.
Lanyere.
Now also to make Jesu pump. Cutting Mumman Bay little barley. Kachira. Within yet a Mokuma. Also, now man young market.
Okay. Mpaya pam. Ami. Agbabwel na 0200607766. Abona la mazo do konko to yusra ayuli abona
Mr. Sof
yes duma yetite
yusembo na nyohana kambo na anyen ya fisho do mana ya to ashalma wallahi kusim kan kwarati yarge wochi to dum na unzo kan to asrama o ya no biala aya no biala MPP kan on pusil ma be MPP so onin ya so mun mal on mal on ya so party self interest wana yel ka kala ka tuma da ba za a bi party yanga bonje daga ma jimma yisu ko karzuba kami ko lan yel so ne de ne ay gani ma karbe wana nan da dun za ta jara entity
yes
ko buce tampalle kayyar da gelma ne ya sha but normally when ya studio man ma san fan bien bala
sablo gurma
san fan bien bala ndiyan so hame anye da bamba yalla ban shaya na ba'alwan ne yinu abu ya le karayarna ban mu bi za ka jibni biyar na ban to mal different way nan da antum da but there is something engage ta ba nyami ka ma ka jilba zala nan wa there is something in the year na kwanto da ku mal jabu na
okay.
den yaman nan la ban ka nan ko nyen kulanta
okay you won't give me improve okay Empire pam thank you very much agbabwel 02607766 ni abuna
ano kaso mezen na ba ka so kam de ni mazulon kaso pondo ar chama zen azantuma anyi wonye yeto asha zon chan artificial na samo bu pamal jam na pam kada daman nan la ba gen fa min tawra ka chala kama pela ban shashel an kamna ki zala soma kan songa da tingela adin zala ban ma anda abe shamazo antlan lawa anyo na songa yuzula da ma bir sai betu ma adalci ko yibor na ban ma chanto ne tan yi songa songa ka bando so na janan da sakulan songa ruwan yere to shelman wa yel man la pa ko yama mo bon na be firma ka zam ya
la nyel
zo bo ka
okay Empire kasu plodo ba no boss amyara manager bi twon agbos team agbos
no api yale
oh no
you are not fair abanu fair
ntala agbos like history of la biagun
I know you see Nyini referee akula to.
No.
Akula to me ball.
Oh no mnyara.
Angmera. Because referee kapahe.
No. Yeah, Jace. Niya dinde nan ka boss because he has that history of kamade kanon show park na on yes ka apologize. Ka karantin no mbongo. Then this is the third one.
Woma. Onga. Obey industry player. No, he's not just an investor on industry man. So they are the gatekeepers. So unto did feel. I mean, another even show for a free ticket.
Oh no. I know. No. Shows got that ticket. Kala.
Abanin fete abush.
Yeah, come on, don't agos be male. Do you know apologize because this is third time.
If I invited Abush, who cannot do side of the story? Ulaka young bubble.
Oh, that this is a conditional statement. If come on,
I hate Anya. I hate you.
So yes,
no, I hate you, Abush. Now,
I hate me.
Mamuna laka manyel. No, aje Abush yeto. Show man, Adachan man. Adachan show man. No, Adachan show.
I am that.
So I could talk piale.
You know something happened here. Kaswe ma did tell some was be number na venga. Because almost some are not ketabne. The same movement yeto ane. Never na ke zabra. So money well okay.
No, ne womli samba ne kakana ma. No, man ta message. Have your message man. Can you know anning bias? Because ang pa on the okay nande abosha ma. No. Okay. No, the chang. No, because
I've seen the light. So anyway, 91.7 megahertz. So I got boy now. You really abon now. Nah.
That's over to Zomo Abdurazak.
Teacher ma Abdurazak.
Mani Njela try person. Hello.
Be on. Dim fila.
No. Mani mpeshe no kunyala tema bisombe nyon polo ka kole na ma. Dagbang jaram jan pam. Trenyala be. Pama tenin kuro mar tunu bi sizan pam. Ale tema be zabasi. Man ba ke pam ni da so fen so ha ka bo ha tum la ban ma no ko kilga halna zo ana min kum ne dag bambal ko fono ma tete na so jule shel na
ai na zo chemo ba to amfan de biar de pam ko lai ma drop ma but now check ka mo kala nyere ayuni abuna so captain yes ayuni teacher my first in front
ichi ye tamana bia men chela ma bi ma bi
pisho da banduma yendo teacher
anya zo ma brichim ma mbara because I live on your entity ama wole je meta be wona ba hadi yare to ashane na wonna mo ya dabana pol ko na kana tiki NGC nyama bi muslim nyama bi hallelujah lala ben moma on yarlam kamani billah me de soma de yara yalma ali dab samo no ma da para tuma bima yino ma probe so ko yina kutu kama dagban ne ka tenti yala ge wazuya ka bu futu bawu ya bun bon ma badan no ma nyas ne titi gai so gbayina entil lapso ka yelo no ba minni dagban wana dagban be yila dagban di en Jesus en titi kule kanula karnyala be suspend ba me na bedaw bawu ya so second ka bu no jamane kusala ka banya na progo ka kusala ka banya dagban teni ne bu futu ma ana dim tema nyasem pam so bu kilme yarla la yeto anu ma mal yat batten be yarba batten ni min za yin siyate ama bari chakara chentuni because I malla ta benda punya wolga te katinya mabi ma yida borti nanu da za sla bra wolga te minba so bi wolga ka ti yat yiren te mi na ra pu za la ma tabita ma da katinya jeli
Empire, thank you very much. Agbabol na 0200060766. Ayule ni abuna.
Bros of man and love now Abdurazak mo.
Fine, mbo pa pa teacher zantu ay to ma fan bier pam.
Inde yar kare, inde yar ye ami tinin no kunena man na jongum ne dagbambe ku phone. Maru ma ka tursule she nanama.
Labratan la donc na be chanchir na onzo.
Ay kulle bi pa zabasi. Bi yulma tuma be ma yulma.
Man presse.
Kolonama.
Be kambon be sikayel. Okay.
Totenan ma bu som na bi sele laban ma zo sonti. Ka pe bin nu ma ne dati kuma tabur butu. Tuma di som be zabas ma puluma kanang de ma. Tam kam lan yu tuma ku nang da. O tuma bala ku nang da ma. To temine fon ku do e mar pe biaram ba mal tumo tinya la be ka ler tin ku roma e tinya nya ben yel shel be bu ku yel shel. Bu mi be yel shel. Ay ni dag bana ler kal yu mo to akana ay biaram malam. Biaram jan pam.
Mpaya.
Rozo labun ma timin ku roma bu pam ba man ka bi sel rozo.
Okay. Ti paya pam Abdurazak o yulum be man biel to. Agwa bol na 0230060766. Ayule ni abuna. Hello.
Mr. Sof.
Yes, ayule abuna.
Abambo kambuna ni mafon.
Teacher mba.
Nko nkela prof onga to amani. Aka ta yul darbatu na tagalma guste ya.
Di yalla wura.
Kan yalla ma ya. Basharin kan yalla ma agbo shi yalla me ora yalla hada fito nan biyana. Nan lampa akta.
Ni mo ga yalla.
Nan lampa akta non pa ni la musician.
Oh.
I understand.
To yi ngo kaman je ma nan hita nya.
No lampa akta non pa ni la musician. Ni actor for the bumbun labor pune. So no pa ni la serious musician. So
kan da ta ka bra kwa mu band tulma.
Anye bo so kan mira ko ti na no tang ma movie ke banya pambo industry ma pun ma ke banu no rina. So po o ina tan non ban sha ki kona garden so ti ina tan no serious movie. Ke premier ki kona akwa pon danki. So that's serious. The thing bagul zo. Ako der ko tun ba ko dero ta. O non ba sha ma to agol ko nan ma.
O take it for granted.
Anya ne je wonna jin ke show. Ama agbo shinra ta nun do show comedy show shele pakala na now haka na zanda ke maka yo so zoya. Ama haka na zanda jin ke show. Ama nira ko ke halti na na zo jin da kun ya halka show ma ta na.
Okay.
Kawa ka tan pambi ka ta na hana tala. Yelma an pa pa.
Na nyi sahazan tumana but chakan nyenya okay tumale manager mama abosh manager mbang dinya manager bo manager kasha well mbang okay the two tinya on ndam pe yela I want to defeat off air on air
no some messer la app
mbum
yes messer la do mu program tribu
okay no don't put some yela da brief ma
who don't call in some sira call so call la yara so do can call na mbama.
This is what happened.
Actually the thing here this search is like at the yara so I say can to gaba ka tin ban ti nan kan gaba ti bo ne ba ta ka ji gaba suluma are ba jambi ne bin ji gaba sama din yadi yalman.
That's fine. So manager Pamsoro I call na nyim I'm told na produce movie ma yin na manager Agbosh yalman nyele
come on produce movie ma
ama yin manager Agbosh.
Yes.
Okay. So I'm saying na passenger move mo polo be chanda na because no dab edit kazana asanze na ka check ka yisi ka suru yisi I mean nibin ma pompo nibin pa show ma zo so igbara kunun na ni ti nan de check la armo yina ke zan mara you didn't mean to do kama serious jobs isn't in room be quality movie.
No kala ngale.
So what happened?
Really the edit the drama jini na bala do the edit are ngala irin back wala ta ma duk activity kamla ga dinda nan kin ma na yanzu kada za da fune to sai na jin kai mu ba da edit automatically bila ba da yal mangale
but to dranyen na manager dranyen na kama de yim non the movie premiere sham iye nyom titan shepulu ka de song sim na di biane kalan tue mba na le kanir ma cham ba ne daban nan
kida ne la 1 and 2 tunda can ba na straight Uzone ma project ma da amala problem. So how do you move ma da delay la start wo. But no how to la you ready project amala but it rapun experience la ben ma for video. If you don't la ben ma repeat. So do you project amala power they should find a way to replace it. So I don't know if you didn't so on project of cleaning ni ma ni I don't know didn't kana. So la berada pakara so kamu ma eka so that's apa kit tumbo
okay
da kada ni la dan kamu ma starting yabo so move on to 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 1 and 2 ma dan naya but 3 and 4 ma mbin nage and most at times ban come to know move ma la 1 and 2 ma ka premier we can make sure 1 and 2 ma dan go guy number 9 but 3 and 4 ma do later certain yina. Though I stand to be corrected, I don't say because I think move from 1 and 2, I'll 3 and 4 be I stand to be corrected.
Okay.
So that was what happened.
So you know muna it tum tuni tum sham. Yinda tuni no chama challenge da bian ke sankar da yina.
No, can you sankar da yi.
Okay.
So when you ma, we need to appeal it was a factor. So later ben nale. This one in to stop because why here nama. Yes, no 1 and 2 ma do one dey end December. No bad smart of invite. So there was miscommunication between one of directors ma and then MC man you know.
Okay.
Well when that MC man we dey editing now. It was after doing Minka Papa the MC one no why you dey editing now. So that was where the problem ma kana. But to be honest, we ma try 1 and 2. So 3 and 4 ma dinna bela editors ma tan.
Okay. That's fine. So manager no kubo sham MC ma be MC be to ngara kunye MC page ma ne onga. Atinta ngunu rezile ka tete discuss along. So onga am shele manager ye shama zasa anu convinced that challenge that nyere projected that failed by me by 1 and 2 that me donc am shele anto bu manager.
Manager kaola.
No kubo ma.
Okay, so first of all, start to come and project ma dra delay because that cannot buhare ka be ne project ma ngun manager no nda ma na project ma na hambame.
Okay.
Later on ka but yet no set na move ma panto pilge. But manager yet no 1 and 2 nda mi ma nko satel te mi la 1 movie 1 and 2 ne besham kar 1 and 2 nda mi ma. Mba mi no move ma sham ba ka 1 and 2 nda mi ma. And
I am Mr. Sabsel Makayira.
I'm not Sabsel Maye yet.
I just ask me
so this for 1 and 2 no. This is me this I'm so corrected.
Yeah, yet me net to post man cut the deal song some cut to movement. That was what you said.
So this can that miscommunication said that can man.
So manager woman be shazan solo so ma so tan. Onwa first of all dundon mani. Ira yet me. Ne enzon ma ben ma freeze me.
Project.
Ne project ne ban merma ne ma ben ma ne ba machine ma freeze me. Ne dem cheka de kon mer. Ka te boaba.
Okay.
Ka te boaba career ne is not true. Ne mouvement won ne edit zan shelembala. Ne be edit zan shelembala ne don pa ma na ba edit. That was what they told us. And yesterday I confirmed it. Katia be bala play material. Ni be edit le. Be ne do be no yamangle. Ne film my director ma ba Play Store karaka ba Play Store ma ba ne wula ka be edit le nai.
So Muyara ma do na director ma into asla question. But what I know was that even 2 days before movie premiering, director ma mini editors ma. That was on Friday banda but yes. That time to share balane. Ndabela ni mana as early as 7:30 director man you know kana nto boare guy ma to move ma den naya editing na there was a portion that Kandani did director man jin buzo ka editing so that no narrate in this one let's say full game kana no so I think the main kana
okay, I think manager the man like my breaker me them sort of to wet back shortly them sort of the break a lot trauma me dim tam network mbalama the yaram karmala sa among them me what den mbalama if deeper then maybe network man kumale the dahala problem ni shele so dinya manager okasha dumna o mbalama okasha Ibrahim Bo yes o lab duna won manager Agbosh so o lab duna ka de me buka tan today zo dan tan ko ba ka gale tinyala banyan nan la 91.7 megahertz kale to agba na agtun because we any ti onga ni ye to achela na ban yel mangle because ne bananda biarnde enye no miscommunication yele it was not like yes olabduna manager yes amna yara ba network ma de zasme
mu ya onga ni ti man da na ban nai I don't know who he approached. Was I can't remember me that Difila. It was only Moruno.
Yeah, I'm not here about director many editors from me too. But on that, never hear any director about Changba condition better editor and matter love editing movie man. Caranon Mabo.
You come here now, don't be yell male. Director, so come among culture Mumsane. So, editors from the director, for my cover. There are some corrections around the Senegal to the meeting. Sababu make ya kumba kama 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 just stand solongo tuba no move ma no wait
yes
for la participate ma
okay
so most atan on director sabra so if so you can we edit so we ka director o director ma saba so like there are sometimes a proper media personality it is not do part of the feel can you clarification because you know I'm not a person that so you read the too much come that is the key so the two is not found but only two guys that can know this là
so
the more
truth man
onto ya to boni ya to 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 no na gbantini our mind to be kura ma story in terms of pauzo na yele all me no the sound so you be the sound bounce you know the picture
so manager no contact banda editor Aminu great Aminu ni banda editor bo extend mama na ka Aminu here ni director da ba karaka jil ban te editing movement din ye
o contact director ma wa o mangene jitu ma o
contact
so when I'm talking about the form no
manager dem so o make
I am a radio person I was on the one side so take you pause
don't go from kawum
the two I will nearby my other side of story some of the pause to yell come data so I think for the galma do I really do mama man you talk about so
mama say bo manja choko bo o me no mala bo hawo katinyar ni nesi buga nuskan kan bo
so the thing is ya ye to ayel no mpa editors ma ayel ma no can mean to now zombie la
do you see we le fama we pa be le editors kan we yalle
mo ya ne edit Aminu
o check o dim solo kan ngeli et
man do wa panso chat mo on
we le live fama we le yellow boy la you fama
o boy you be mun ka boru you go ka boru
Aminu o ta editor amba
o sa solo kan yala awum da
something te ka tinyar ni nesi
on ka hagele zanti so hala Marco and Bola, we are direct. I was with Mr. Crotch. He couldn't do one Mr. Crotch, and he told me that Morino Yeromani, Bansu movement Yeromani, Basit, and Dabe editing movement now.
Morino Yella
Crotch.
Okay.
I don't know what a program that cover Yella be personal discussion. Me Crotch Sajilan program there. So Kalele to Amayina.
Okay.
Then ka Neka Wun Crotch, but for quality Basit, Kula Kulchire
editor.
So man never pam believe me basit ngal ba kan won ngal so kan won pofo ko basit mbo ngu me nanwo mien dum na po hazot yela ye to aso mbo na dan mi yela nanyen nda che ka to movie ma ban na ma nanyen be edit na ka basit na yelo ma ma jer kam mane but voice ngale nto zobe ngale ma ba kam mamanga so otu zobe ma bangal ma minyami so court ne yela kana padisa then we need to hear from the from the editors Aminu
okay
ka boy Aminu o minde o yulma bobolo samlo ko ntamo yuma yes o mino zambir ya to ala kan bo aba nirba ma kana na shirka man paba ne nzone ma ban su film ma sankar ko yi ka bo ha weti chonga a direct film ka bakara ka te jem tiele wula ka tiyan man editele dans soit de tone so ate wa number one from both sides ndo mi ambor ba shao
man da ko ya shema do na kara to one you want to know like wula ka yarma je sais ko o dan tu pas to yarma one moruno bu direct movement two coach bu direct movement three on to ne coach e do ko culture man bala o direct le but you wanted to see editors ma out of story ma so one culture no paya no to go in the yellow ma so you know approach to the ma yellow ma what were you supposed to as a professional media personality because apa directors ma ba ile culture to go ma yellow career sambo ya ma yellow be jiri so because the part of story come on tell you the part influence me ba
so ya manager pasoro the mala su yisime pasoro listen to this so boya what the man yela din about it because editor banda tena croach min banda bazaha ntitabe onga bazaha believe him that move ma be present it in your ma din da tusham what is the truth about this whole thing as manager to Agosh no dabe
mana kola na jimu wasila
okay
on damsela to kola na dabdele
so is it on contact director or didn't ye ogammo be because anytime ma yola nilbin chang bangbara what ye nilbin chang ka in the same players
editor e mamu wala yele e mi ni to na ta le ni o kada ba cha do normal yele so to ni mu shale ka fili ka so ne ka fili ne dun wala de puta problem shale
but this one they are not talking about movement
if I think the editor here is a sense of force my abona adukwa to get the to do tuna patent me be your force my na to sanma ngo they no unwo kayal ma
so a problem ni yesel mbala
so wula nyel de ka le la on pana re story mata unwo nyele adi je na ajilla yirba ma zata a studio dina na ko dinna na you ka invite ma o program bi en kaname that is that shine you can be to but if I send to one side some other side some of them the angum tag chelma then take your one I to find out so this am I to find out kayela I said I don't yelma to chelma but I be yelma pai how you feel you all feel well or you not happy
that's fine I think that time man yela din chabara yelma I'm so happy ani bo atsaku bo ka go interview yanga to pa permanent ukasha na no intervention shelma enta mun manage Agosh so dinyara amonitor so onga I mean nye shabna kana just can go to pick just two course kati rap up ayuli abonna chakankara kugbe ya 91.7 megahertz enta no de patoma ayuli abonna 1 minute
yuli moro kambuna
bwakuru Bwakuru Zabira.
Ara TV.
Mbatwa ya.
Kawabongo.
That's true.
Manager to ama o samati no fault there.
No fault can do the things na all the boy. I'm any okay. In his ways so any onga malajere kan majere ka ye mangle. So it means we sati.
Fault o ye to ama wono no fault there. Ama won le war no ye na de onga government.
No, we contacted director Umosen Dumbiane. Hello? Wow. Hello? I'm sure Sen Hambalama. Last caller, I know Zosun Kaduna. Okay. Are you le? Nepro Kabuna?
So.
Yes.
Boga
Tijan Gumane.
No, it's not.
Kaula Kalonshi.
Na zo da mo feel ma
yo sorry tichama
sama kusi kama kunin garan yemo on ko na tar da rishan aku ya no mu management nyam manager ma na jina ti yarshan hal on ga yeto amanin gare manager ne yarti yeto ashana on ga sa o biela ni mane kanye yeto ashana den yirna mu mane chan shamma du chan ve yalanga sama o temal galmir pule temal ngo kata tursan dane kata move on ama pam abo shin pon nang na temala ni kundo yu kum ka bu bargi takati yenye je ni kundo ma bago on na min pon nang tishalla mu yi ko na min nang tala kan wala ka ta pa ta in ne se jabe ban nang dilo to ko sam talgre on kuta sa karate ka movie kata dalle shamma and promote ka shele pam shamma tata kana ka ta pala aba kata ku jola family ka on ga ku boa la ni bo shaba ka doble yamma mangale hala yeno bo shama din yamma direct mamma on to boble la din yo tumala so o ku saka gale ni binyo o man nang fe yala ga sham ka so le zo ban to ka sang to ko sai so ama bang biar ka tambo ko chinu na bien mane mo no ni bien ka observe ka tam ka wumla ba shanga ka yel ka on ga on ye shara tar yesen tan din ko nyama beswe o yel gola da kana da puni don na onga tribu inspector na changala ama tidim sandane so sura nan rock
okay
tin na maka to kore ka to go forward
to pa boga
ama ku to nan tela.
Okay, thank you very much, Boga Gumane. Pam. Unfortunately, to go to Pako, but I'm going to grab Mr. Soft. What Mr. Onga is saying is the real truth. Time is coming; they will not even get management because what Salman did to the one who sponsors the movie is losing his money, and Salman is gaining. We got loss. We got lots of loss. Okay, we go lost more than 20,000 Ghana cedis. Now this is more picking the man course. Okay, he's no more picking the man course from Razak family no sakse kana actors kula nye manager because international man ba menso or response on kayere gola ngona na hele blan kporo la oko ba na bele kon benon 20,000 sorry 200 million all cedis man mbala kambo ni solve. Good evening. Yusuf Deshine Enyuhanem. The guy in your studio is doing more harm than good. He is killing the industry. Now cool movie industry ma. Okay, chakanya. But champundo alchoma chief zo na presina onyela ngun babiji wontu eka papa kamya no pro na ilzone. And good afternoon. I'm monitoring live from Tudufo Fashion Center from Waterworks. My name is Sadiq Tudufo. Thank you very much. Very last caller. Ayuli Abun Nadim Soro. 1 minute.
Okay, so hello.
Yes, I'll be on. Tujima, you could feel at 1 minute.
Yeah, Danzingo.
Tijama.
No more Shamia and the government. On gonna get a share because I got the limitation goal position or Trano asked me the premier Niman Karaki, so come down here and sanction. The Borman Kanatan or movie show on the last time at the no Catania.
Yeah,
catch a terrible zone Sana Catania Dincation. Let quality movies was Zadana premier from Picona. Kaniro kat leka enjoy la movie foreign chanson. So di can come mal problem. The tum neta hamma karanya kama ya yaka sabna mal la problem but in generalize la karanya ya. La ka bna but it's so granted but this apa yabla so kamza har awun banza nan karjema ay banza nan karjema go shi din ma kon kuma dan sam da zama. Anya so kallalan tunatina haka yato ayina kama sukulan chante kele normal anya tan sham film part 1 teacher on that man no film part 1 how many scenes in yele how many scenes in yera
part 1
how many scenes in yele about part 1 and 2 how many scenes 3 and 4 how many scenes in tunring premier from the chanting part 1 and 2 3 and 4 ni man because of time my limit because activity shana there brian. So move mara pala station don't handle 1 and 2 malo shapulma hal store mama wa kama ya don't do 1 and 2 kana tazan shapulma then you check and you 3 and 4 mashi and but the not fortunate kadana nirmanya sem kam na bo no wula berna move ma in champion because that time so were 12 to something 12 to 2 polo higher 12 to 1 to 2 polo ndara so we could continue So women to edit 1, 3 and 4, but one and 2 1 it was edited. Can we say
so Arabic man Balabu?
I was there.
Okay.
I was there.
Okay. Thank you very much. I'm happy I'm going to contribute ma. Tsonga.
Yes.
Anya zima chansham. Banganda bampara. Also what to say. So what to say. Okay.
Nkulungu masanka nyam.
So end
point of correction. I wum ne piliye to amasham nzangletin nage. Ambe yele ye agbosh. Premier man chanshia mazo sore lanti movie premier 1 mbe na gauche premier man chanshia mazo de temala galma ter movie industry ma inde yela me ya niveau shawan regulator premier ma and recent times premier shanga de norma yara pregle nyela movie poma take it or leave it recent times njam na boy movies ya recent time movie premier shanga don ko nanga da pregle nyela movie ma
movie no mobe premier yemo nye ishma
so bozo kan nerma piano ma misa movie ma so
di bichang
so at the end of the day you give them the value for money shelben yoma
okay
you are so ne yerselma man ne yersel on kan la to conclude ya ne vo shabon control ya ban nye Tollywood yes so be make them sure in suggestion bon be make them sure ka premier ila nan kama ba mala board kama na pon ya ma ka yan nan premier ba san ka yan chang ka ba ta date so before ka karata premiere movie ayan chan shab san ka ta date ma ya be make him sure kala ne ma ka ba die movie shall be yan premiere ma and le no point
manager mba amala share quickly
so arabe pa yo
ya anda biane to rapport
on ga ne da to information o be la ma zo aminu manager
editor be manager editor kat adil fila to be director
editor ba o yele edit
exactly Aminu
hello
Aminu abe on air abe redo wula ka ila edit emma video agbosh de la ka cham zaltan to ngare pikwana no premier why
okay now di am boa sha no manya asumfam nwa
nyinda editor muna
film mama na editor
okay totichima
problem ma ya film do char pikwana no to premier film 1 2 3 4 tenirwana we gulle do kunya ga to 1 and 2 rika za tin sham bin sham bet ta diluma bon poste chapelon aka tanti en to na be to edit so le du ongara afila
great also onga ayana onga amro bo mo amma
amiro kawla
ara pega
ayana be yelma ni movie ma be edit nai
mambe diala pila bo mam kan ya yebum ke film ma 1 and 2 zal chapelon ba yer na be se ma ta jim kan ya yo film ma 1 and 2 na be se mba so premier film 1 2 3 4 people na 1 and 2 and second the high premier one nda ya re
acha na amuro aye to acha amiro about director
wala yongla ka ye dan shero now zo yongla amiro
ka ask him if is
I know me be programmer me bahla but no bo na bo hasham ya zora duma na won ka yel ma yongla na sabo ya ka wula ya be yel ya yin na yin ma ne man da editing movie ma na amini sam do ko wula ki sa yel ma zora duma na won ma ki sa
mama tuli mane ta ya gon wa ya sham ta ya am ya director mu ce film ma 1 and 2 sa film ba
chekan kota amira wunda har kan ya ville be na so nuno po hanzo kam de ma asa yel mam ya ti chonga director movie ka kara ki pe film ma na wula ka yan nangle that was what you told me I know le yeto ansabala
umwa umpo na on tama po na on shezwa ni yel na on de channe bi akan me na ka ta wulo
kamo nole
kama wanda ma mala ebdama nimbanta aga ku bo mam kan yela
ni ba isa je ni na mi pasa je ni ba ami sam lo ko sa je sambane ale pasa bela isa ni na mi pasa ya sam lo ko ma ami sam lo ko sa je hadi
okay mi sam lo ko sa je asa je ni sa yela ma ngo sa yala no ya ya hata na onzo ya mche film ma 1 and 2 za lo sa polumba ya 1 and 2 ka ta ta mi zo rumma
Okay. So Aminu, before che onga kama mbwa kati nage movement ara edit television din nage ban premier nage la ba kana isane agba wumi anuma no ya ne dube edit television nga awum le la.
Edit one edit.
When you film it to angune ya na edit television of course bring your action mean the tata mar punka ya na film mar edit television.
Okay. That's fine. Am I in a night as editors?
That's fine. Okay. Graphics are better.
Thank you very much, Aminu. Manager, unless Kanya Amala share quickly, just 30 seconds, Kati.
Manuko wani sokambane oye kwa tawa kayel mala ya ta dino kuyi poloma do kile samzaba.
Te pa eve yeranga manjo kasha. So onga
Aminu sao.
We are wrapping up.
Anda po yerang ye twase ya mai bihra mpo na mai bihra. Ka yellow be bihra no chelo so dasel kan na nye mama yan yila nto ku na te na marishir amay kide ka no bihra dasel kan nye mama yan yila to ku na te no kima no zo to swai dama ku to lan kontene nyoma ay be ko se dem me dem kela ma mpo na di pre program na won bo hamma
kanya Aminu ka
pre program na won bo hamma yes aba
ayani bi ba yi sanya ba Aminu ba mun su amitira pra apma so I mean, me and the Kauna. So you still insist that I'm going to say, yeah, lie to Alma.
But I say, yeah, me to shall come and
that's fine.
Mamma no pre-program, Bana, Kaba Diffila, Mamma, I can also put you some last hour. But Bussa Diffila Masham, like no care to Azan, your prize on the side. I think that's right. Okay, but no one, yes, I'm never come out. I bush.
Okay.
Mamela Bush ka problem shele.
I will fight through.
Na unzo.
I will hate.
Movie industry market za bwana manga actor me.
Okay.
Manga actor me.
Yes.
You understand? Movie industry market bwana razale. Me yel pambo ma ka nje la tra ka Bush mino nyanga. Be ka Bush mino management bi obum.
But the mala manager mane others they feel like anosma the affected la atu
be shao mponna ayaba ngum de tongo hakke nim nwele ngum de tama nirba yi jirfila ni mama ku za asul son tanga nyela yamangla ma
okay
hati be yel bangum ma nye yamangla ma ti ku be yele bangum ma be nye yamangla ma den chante dolo se ma nirba yi jirfila ma be ya yi jirfila ma bangum ma mi yamangla ma na be lo sele ka bosh kaman tuhra ba Bamma kan yara yaw make him sure ka scrutinize movie shanga dem kamma
de check arta to blani
you understand boko kan na santa booker dates ma shamba pamba ma kala nzangla la sahma scrutinizer movies ma yaka pa nirma nye nyone nirma benye ba no disappointed pam sa ko send ko la der fila shanga
that's fine the problem we will continue conversation ma because is just like ko abitin to ni tamale Tollywood grandpapa anyway, number some Bumbe Nyade and Salaam alaikum. Tomorrow, that's fine. So